Hello students, welcome back. Yesterday we started a new poem that is self-reliance. Reliance means to believe, trust, faith or hope. Today we are going to discuss the questions and answers of this lesson. Before to discuss questions and answers, I would like to recapitulate the poem once again. What is self-reliance? Reliance means hope, faith, to be confident. Okay? This poem is written by Kathleen Delicato. This poem tells you how self-reliance help a person win in life. The poetess realized that she was alone. She had so many people around her, her relatives, her friends, society, but still she is feeling alone. And here she don't want to depend on anyone. She should stand on her own legs, and if she failed, she should try again and again or ask others for opinions. We may have people around us, but we should learn to stand on our own. To take up any decision, she learned not to depend on anyone, but to depend confidently on herself. She is saying, she is the sole ruler of her own kingdom, being the master of her dominion. With great determination, she chooses her path with pride, neglecting others' disagreements with her choices as though they are the only people who can advise her take up the better path. She also tells that she is the ruler of her world. She is the ruler of her world and she is the ultimate decision maker. She would take the path or the road to move on with pride. Some people might disagree with her choices and they would think they knew a better path to suggest. But she is the ruler of her own world. She has started to take up own decisions, though she may fail initially, but she can ask others' opinion for her progress, but still she is the one who ultimately decides. People might raise their voices, but it is up to her to make her destiny. She wanted to be true to herself and learn how to stand alone and how to win in life. In the end, only you know that you are the only person that has the ability to know what's best for yourself. The only person that can change your own destiny. This is the summary of this poem. So let's now we will discuss the questions and answers. Our first question is, who is the speaker in the poem? Who is the speaker in the poem? The poetess Kathleen Delicato herself is the speaker in the poem. The poetess is speaker here. Next question is, who is alone in the poem? Here who is alone? Yes, poetess. Poetess Kathleen Delicato is alone in this poem, in the poem. Third question, what does the speaker decide to do if she fails? If she fails, what she decides? What does the speaker decide to do if she fails? Speaker decided to try continuously though she fails until she gets success. What does the speaker decide to do if she fails? Speaker decided to try continuously though she fails until she succeeds. Next question is, who is the ruler of speaker's kingdom? Who is the ruler? Yes, speaker herself is the ruler of speaker's kingdom. She is the ruler of her own world. Okay. Next question is, how can the speaker convert her choice into victory? How can she convert her choice into a victory? Speaker converts her choice into victory by being true to herself, which taught her to stand alone with self-confidence, which helps her to take the royal road to success. Let's see the next question. Here, few more questions are there. You have to answer these questions in paragraph. Answer the following questions in a paragraph. Which line of the poem do you like? Why? In this poem, which line you people liked? The answer is, if I fail, I must continue to try. This line is very interesting and very admired. If I fail, I must continue to try. I like this line in this poem because this is the line which builds up self-confidence. This line is building self-confidence, self-respect, self-reliance, determination, etc. Makes a person to live the life easily and boldly until he or she succeeds. As a proverb says, try until you succeed. Since failure is a stepping stone to success, a person should not get depressed or let the work go fearing about the failure. Failure and success are the two faces of same coin. Everybody has to face both. Hard work with confidence and self-reliance definitely leads us to success. Which line you liked? The line is, which liked by us is, if I fail, I must continue to try. Here, as a proverb, try until you get success, since failure is a stepping stone to success. Okay. Next question is, ask your partner what self-respect, self-confidence, self-reliance is. Self-respect means respect for oneself. Having self-respect helps others to see and treat you with dignity and worth, pride and confidence. And self-respect is, this sense will come when you feel that you have the skills like energy, potentiality to achieve your desired goals. We have to respect ourselves first. Next, what is self-confidence? Self-confidence is the best medicine to kill the disease like failure. Self-confidence gives us power to face many challenges in our life. It will always earn you success. If you are doing your work, you need to be well confident. Self-confidence is must to success, to become success in your life. Self-confidence is a feeling of trust in someone or something. Next, self-reliance. What is self-reliance? Reliance, I said you before, I told you that hope or belief or trust or faith. Reliance means rely, R-E-L-Y, that is trust or have faith. To depend on something, trust or confidence. Means relying upon ourselves or independently taking up the decisions. Trust on our own power or resources. This is about self-respect, self-confidence and self-reliance. These are the main factors to attain success. Okay, dear students, our next question is, How can you show to others that you have these qualities? Third question is, how can you show to others that you have these qualities? Give some examples. Write down what you said. Success is the only thing that from which we can show to others that we have all these qualities. Qualities like generosity, contentment, self-discipline, hard work, self-satisfaction, self-confidence. These all factors we can show to the others by getting success. If I get chance to participate in any competitions, I will participate without any hesitation. That shows our confidence. Okay. Next question is, according to the poet, what should we do to win in life? According to the poet, what to do to win in? According to the poet, we should have faith in ourselves and we should not depend on others, to rely on ourselves and begin to stand on our own. We should not bother about any criticism of others. It pulls us down. To become successful, to win in life, we have to trust ourselves first. Hope you get the answers for all these questions. Take care. Bye-bye.